Hello.
Welcome.
Nice to be here today.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi,
nice
I'm
to
Leon.
meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you. We're gonna do this in English.
Yes.
How come?
Marvin and I, we both studied at Maastricht University, so for us it's a lot easier because we did all our study time in English.
Okay. And who's gonna do the pitch?
I'm going to do the pitch today, and
Okay.
Marvin is going to answer the questions afterwards.
Okay. Cool.
All right.
Are you ready for it?
Shall we start?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, hello jury. I'm happy and excited to tell you about a great new product. Nowadays, everything is about lifestyle. Unfortunately, the wallets of most people aren't really, because they've been staying the old same way they have been for decades. So we've been thinking, how can we make wallets better and make them more fun? So what we came up with is this here. It is a wallet that we produce, which is made entirely out of paper. And it combines design with superior usability and social responsibility in one product. This wallet is completely tear resistant, it is waterproof, and at the same time, as you can see, it is super slim. These are designed by artists from all around the world who benefit from each and every sale directly. Now you might say, hey, I still like my traditional leather wallet way better than this. Then consider these things take about 10 times less energy in production than a traditional wallet, and also they are easily and fully recyclable. So this wallet, it is full of art, it is full of responsibility, and it will never be empty. In fact, it's not just a wallet, it is a crispy wallet. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. The crispy wallet. That's
Exactly.
Exactly. So you might try it out on your own, maybe.
Yes.
So
I'm going to bring one over to the jury, so you guys
I give
can
one
all
to you.
feel it.
Yeah.
And
You
get
might try
acquainted.
to rip it in the middle, because actually you might think a paper wallet, well, that might be weak, but we show you that it's stronger than any other wallet you might know. So try to rip it with your fullest strength in the middle.
Oh, you see me if I'm really angry.
You see he's a strong man. but, yeah.
Oh, it's really strong.
It's impossible, actually. It really is.
Anyone has a lighter?
Well, we don't say that it doesn't burn.
That's true. That's true.
But yeah, that's what you should not do with your wallet in general.
You can also put your cards in it, or just your money?
Actually, you're able to put your credit cards in here.
Okay.
You're able to put your money in here, and not in this wallet, but in all wallets we sell online. There's also a coin pocket inside, closed by a Velcro fastener, so also coins will not fall out.
You're going to sell your product online, on internet?
That's how we do it right now. Our biggest priority in the future is to acquire business customers, retailers, who might sell this via their distribution channels.
I was really wondering, you have already a product.
Yeah.
I saw you have more than 2,000 likes on the internet, so it seems that it is selling already.
It is.
Why do you need this award and the money together to start up a business? Because it seems to me that it is already a running business.
It's not simply about the private customer, it's also about the business customer, and therefore we really need some financial help as well.
But I've seen them already in the United States. Are they being produced especially for you, or do you import them?
Actually, that's also a very good question. So they're already there in US, but they're rarely here in Europe. And what we thought about when we came up with this idea to build up a European brand, which is established in Europe and also made in Europe.
I'm a bit surprised. Young guys like yourselves, if I look at payments, the whole concept of money is disappearing. Everyone goes digital, mobile payments, and you basically, as a young entrepreneur, are going backwards in physical stuff.
So 2010.
What is this all about?
Yeah, I think also money, like physical money, might still be attractive somehow, right? Especially like in my everyday life, when I go to the supermarket, when I travel, when I go out in the evening in the discotheque or something like this. It's especially nice to have such a small wallet with you, which is not really hindering you in doing things you would like to do. So,
What's the price?
It's 15 euros in our web shop and also in all shops selling us right now.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah,
Thanks a lot, guys.
Right? Okay.
Thank you.
Alrighty. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Hi. Hi.
How was the pitch?
Good. Went better than expected. I was rather calm, so that was something really enjoyable this time. It was fun.
Nou, daar was in elk geval heel goed over nagedacht.
Ja,
Enthousiast verhaal.
Absoluut leuk.
stonden echt achter een product. Ja.
Waar zit dat zakje voor coins?
Aan de zijkant.
Ja, coins is eigenlijk 2008. Hè.
Oh jee. Nou, dat is het enige geld dat ik nog gebruik voor de winkelkarretjes.
Ja. Ja, ik moet zeggen, ik vind dit echt een echt superleuk product.
Heel
zeg
leuk.
maar.
Ja.
En ik kan me best voorstellen dat je dat inderdaad als een hippe lifestyle wil gebruiken. Ja. Maar ja, wat denk je wat je weg kunt zetten als giveaway voor bedrijven?
Ja,
Ja.
Dat soort
zeker.
dingen.
Ja,
Als je
absoluut.
commercieel gaat gebruiken, sportartikel, helemaal top.
Wat ik wel jammer vind is dat ze het niet zelf bedacht hebben. Ze hebben het
Ja,
gewoon
ja,
geïmporteerd.
komen in een categorie.
Maar goed, het is een leuk product daar niet.